We are glad you could join us tonight for our 2023 newly named Sam's Dinner.
There is a lot to celebrate as members of our Technology and Manufacturing Association, an organization that is focused exclusively on small and mid-sized manufacturers, which are the heart and soul, the bread and butter, the real engine of American manufacturing.
I will let his performance speak for itself, but I will say this. If you are a skeptic, you will be leaving here a believer tonight. So without further ado, Sidney Friedman!